Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Lever Gear cable kit. And what this is it's supposed to be a little keychain kind of thing that you can use to charge your phones. And basically just it's a super short USB-C cable with a few extra goodies thrown in. Now let's see. Watch the free demo video. Get an adapter pack. Huh. Oh, I guess you can get a free adapter pack if you scan this with your phone. Alright, so let's see if there's any instructions. So this is the thing. So it's got the cable holder, and it's got an adapter, and it's got that's a lot of looking. Let's just sort of pop things off and see what they look like. So how do we get this out first of all? I might should have looked at the instructions. Holds the USB cable. Alright. Apparently it doesn't tell us how to get it out. I guess you can push on that and get it out. I was kind of thinking it would be easier to get out than that. So, it's a pretty simple, that is not a USB-C. We have a USB-C adapter. Alright, so it's not an actual USB-C cable. You have to use a little built-in adapter. So you get that, and there's a little tool here, a little kind of SIM remover tool, and you're supposed to be able to hold the cards. Oh! Okay. So it looks like pop this back in where it was. So theoretically, I think you can put, I guess I didn't put it back in the right way. Like this. Alright, so that sits in there like that. And this plugs back in like so. So I guess they're saying you can store the cards behind it, maybe? That seems highly questionable. I don't know. I'm not super crazy about this thing. It seemed neater online. The upside is it's only like $10, and so if you want something like this, then that's probably not terrible. I think if I were going to go for something like this, I'm going to keep my in charge little keychain thing and use that, because it just seems being able to clip it on your keychain and forget about it seems a lot better than this whole mess right here. Anyway, I'll include a link in the description where you can find this, and I'll actually check and see if I can leave you a link for the in-charge cord adapter, which is probably much better than this. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.